Who's gonna be the lucky lady who gets to stay the night in the birdhouse with Mr. Cardinal? You know, he's whining and dining right now. See him they're over there eating. But who's going home inside the old green shack tonight? Huh? You're gonna have to pick one. Who you gonna pick? Huh? Who you picking? Which one? That one? Huh? You picking that one? What about that one? Huh? He playing. Look, he's a player. Look, check him out. He went somewhere else. He said, I'll be right back. Just hang out. Y'all get to know each other. There's room in there. All three of y'all can stay the night. Oh, there they go. I wish I had two females chase me around like that.